Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit and the Hohem iSteady V3. Today, we will dive into the specifications, features, and user experiences of these two popular gimbals designed for smartphone videography. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, understanding the differences between these gimbals will help you choose the right one for your needs. Let's start with the pricing. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit is priced at $109, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable gimbal. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady V3 comes in at $129. While it is slightly more expensive, it offers additional features that may justify the higher cost for some users. Next, let's look at the features. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit boasts an ultra-wide angle mode, which is perfect for capturing expansive scenes without motor blockage. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady V3 includes advanced features such as magnetic AI tracking, a detachable remote control, and a built-in extendable rod and tripod. These features enhance the shooting experience, especially for vloggers and travelers. Finally, let's discuss stabilization. Both gimbals provide excellent stabilization, but the Hohem iSteady V3 features the upgraded iSteady 8.0 system, which offers improved performance over the iSteady 7.0 found in the Mobile Plus kit. This means smoother footage and better handling of dynamic movements, making the V3 a strong contender for serious videographers. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit and the Hohem iSteady V3 have their strengths. If you're looking for affordability and the ultra-wide angle mode, the Mobile Plus kit is a great choice. However, if you prioritize advanced features like AI tracking and a remote control, the V3 is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.